Hey guys, this is Gary. I have my Bmw E28. It's a 1988, and as time passed, my dashboard was really cracked. I don't know if you can see it from here. Too much glaze. But let's see if I could show you from here. All these cracks. It's really in bad shape. So what I did, I'm gonna end up leather wrapping this. There was actually a big chunk of piece that was actually gone out of here. So so what I did was, instead of getting a new one, I can't even find one. What I did was I did this part with JB Weld and the rest with some Alex caulking. Now mind you, this car has stayed in the sun for about a good hour. This is good California Northridge weather. Here's what I did with the JB Weld, and it came out pretty good. Except for some of the spots that were actually shrinking. JB Weld really filled the gaps. It's all straight and even. Now when I came to the Alex, I don't know if you get a closer look, but the only reason why I used Alex was I ran out of JB Weld. And I was too lazy to go to Home Depot and get some. So the Alex, because I guess it was so hot, it just bubbled in like foam. But there's still a gap. Ow, that's hot. So I'm gonna start filling this up with, I don't know, I want to try it out, crazy glue and baking soda. Let's see how that works. But JB Weld so far did a great job at filling the gaps. Again, this is about a 20-something-year-old car. I don't want to do the math right now. This is foam. This is JB Weld. No, that's half and half. The far end part is foam. And this is JB Weld. Here's a better look at the JB Weld. It's a much cleaner. A little bit of cracks. I don't know, minor cracks. Let me focus this in. See this tiny little crack here? Let me see. I got a screw here. See this tiny little crack here? It didn't seal very well. But as far as building, it's pretty tough. I mean, I can't rip this apart anymore. See that? I can't. Right there. So once this gets covered with leather, you're not going to see any of these imperfections, but I didn't want to see gaps when my leather was wrapped. So I'll show you more videos. Here's a better look at this. Here's a better look. Wow, this car's hot. See that gap? That shiny stuff is the leftover seal. The Alex molding stuff. I'll get you a better video of it a little bit later. Just wanted to show you guys how this stuff works. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably scrape these little gaps these cracks, get it a little deeper, use crazy glue and baking soda, and I'll show you a video on that and see how that works out. But as far as that's concerned, right here you got humongous gaps. This dashboard is in really, really bad condition. But I can't find another one, a new one, because they don't make them anymore. And if I do find one, it's gonna be cracked. So I just don't want to deal with it and just fill it up and then leather wrap it. But as far as JB Weld's concerned, it does the job at filling the gaps really, really well. Well, check out my next video on the super glue and baking soda. Now I have to go to the store and get some. Alright, see you guys later.